This is the second part. Firstly, we studied the polygons, some elements of the polygon sites and how we call them, the polygons. Now, and we had one formula for the number of diagonals. Now we have the second part, angles of a polygon, interior angles of polygon. Here we have another formula to find the sum of the interior angles of the polygon, which is n minus 2 times 180. So this one always will be the formula for the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Here, as you can see, there are given some shapes. A quadrilateral, when you will draw one diagonal in a quadrilateral, you are forming two triangles. So here, we know the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. We know it. So if we have two triangles, we'll have 2 times 180 for a quadrilateral. In a pentagon, we have 3 triangles, as you can see, 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3 times 180. And here in a hexagon, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles we have. So it will be 4 times 180. Here, how many sides I have? 4 sides. As you can see, it's 2. 4 minus 2 times 180 it becomes. Here I have 5 sides. It is 3 times 180, which is 5 minus 3 times 180. And here I have 6 sides, and it is 4, so it will be 6 minus 2 times 180. So the general formula will be n minus 2 times 180. The number of sides minus 2 times 180 will give you the sum of the measures of the interior angles in a polygon. In any kind of polygon, you can use this formula. Now, here there is an example. Find the sum of the measures of the interior angles in a polygon with 9 sides. So what we have? N minus 2 times 180. So if it is given that it has 9 sides, I will do 9 minus 2 times 180, which is 7 times 180. What will be this one? 7 times 0, it's 0. 7 times 8, 56, 5 in mind. 7 times 1 is 7, 5 in mind. 12. So it is 1260 degrees. It's okay?
Yes.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Here the number of sides are given, and we are asked to find the sum of the measures of the interior angles. In the second one, sum of the interior angles in a polygon is, it's given 1620 degrees. We need to find how many sides. So what we'll do?
The formula will go to 1620.
Yeah. So if the sum is given, we'll write the formula and we'll equalize to the sum that is given. So here you can check to divide by 180. 1620 divided by 180. What do you think?
It should be 7.
It will be 9.
9. So 9 times 0, 0, 9 times 8, 72. 7, 9 times 1, it's 9, and 7 in mind, 60. So it's 9. Here directly, I'm simplifying these two, and then I will have n minus 2 is equal to 7. Then n will be 7 plus 2, which is 9. So this polygon...
Why you wrote 7?
Oh, 7. I am seeing this one. Sorry. It's 9, yes. The 7 in my mind stays there. 9 plus 2, which is 11. Okay. It's okay, guys. Did you understand what I'm doing here? The others?
Yes.
Okay. Please say something. If it is okay, I will continue to the next one. Now here we have another formula. In the first property, we give the sum of the angles in a polygon. Here we are giving only one angle. How we are finding the measure of only one angle in a regular polygon? What is regular polygon? What we said for regular polygon?
The number of
All the sides and the angles are equal.
All the sides and the angles are equal to each other. So if you have a regular polygon and if you want to find the measure of an interior, only one interior angle, you will use this formula, n minus 2 times 180 over n. Okay? N minus 2 times 180 over n. So here it says find the interior angle in a regular dodecagon, which is 12, which has 12 sides. So what we'll do, we have the formula n minus 2 times 180 over n. So n is given by
of n, we write 12.
12 times 12 minus 2 times 180 over 12. You can do some simplifications. I can see that these are simplified by 6, both of them. It will be 30. This one will be 2. Oh, it's also divided by 12, 15. So I have 10 times 15, which is
150.
150. So one angle, the measure of one angle in a dodecagon, a regular dodecagon, is 150 degrees. Alexander, how will solve B?
Which one, teacher?
B.
With 2, teacher, because it's Polygon.
What is
With the same formula.
with the same formula? The measure of an interior angle in a regular polygon is 108. How many sides does the polygon have? So the measure of the one angle is given. We need to find the number of sides. So how we'll do?
N minus 2
N minus 2
times 108.
times 180
Yes.
over,
Over n
yes, is
is
it?
equal to 108.
Okay, then
Now n times 108. No, without parentheses.
you are multiplying. Okay, so it is 180 times n.
It's equal to n minus 2
How?
with cross multiplication.
108, sorry, I wrote 108. Okay, 108 times n is equal to?
It's equal to n minus 2 times 180 over 2 over n.
We don't have over n anymore. We did the cross multiplication, yes?
Minus 360.
So we have 800 times 808 n is equal to 180 n minus 160. We're multiplying one.
Yes.
Okay.
So 360 equal to 180 n.
Like
108 n.
okay.
360 is equal to 72 n.
Okay.
N is equal to 360 over 72.
Oh,
Is equal to 5, I think.
you can check. any of you, or we can do here.
It's 5.
It is 5, teacher.
Five.
It's okay.
Okay. So n is equal to 5. So this is a regular pentagon. Okay. Everyone, it's okay? Others?
It's okay.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, can you go a little bit up to take screenshot?
Okay. Now let me take the attendance again. Yusuf is not. Anita?
I am here, teacher.
Okay. Alexander?
Here.
Okay. Eva? Elza?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Amra?
I'm here.
Okay. Yona?
Here.
Stephanie?
Here.
Fatih? Fatih? No? Okay. Kibariye?
Here.
Tringa?
I'm here.
Okay. Ardita?
I'm here.
Arta?
I'm here.
Giovanna?
I'm here, teacher.
Ta? Vesa?
Who, teacher?
Vesa.
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. And Stanislav?
Here, teacher.
Okay.
Excuse me, teacher. Did you write me as present the previous lesson?
Yes, I wrote then. I realized that you're here. You didn't answer me, but I realized that you're here. Okay, Salman is
Here, teacher.
Rumeysa?
Here.
Okay. Sarah?
Here.
Okay. Ermal? No. Hamza? No. Besan?
Here, teacher.
Now, guys, let's see what we have more about angles. Here we have exterior of a polygon. Look, the sum of the measures of the exterior angles in any convex polygon is 360 degrees. There is no any formula about this. Only we'll say that this is 360 degrees. So find the sum of the measures on the exterior of the exterior angles in each shape. You can say directly a triangle 360 degrees, a pentagon 360 degrees, a 20gon it's 360 degrees. You don't have anything else here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So you can write the property if you're writing only that the
Yes, teacher. I'm writing.
okay, the sum of the measures of the exterior angles in any convex polygon is 360. It's okay. Can I continue?
Just a second.
It's okay. Continue, teacher.
You can continue, teacher.
Okay. Here we have another property. The measure of any single exterior angle in a regular polygon with n sides is 360 over n. So find the measure of the exterior angle in a regular polygon with 10 sides. So here what will be?
It will be 360 over 10.
Yes, 360 over 10, which is 36 degrees. And in B, it says the measure of an exterior angle in a regular polygon is 24 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? So what will
The angle will be equal to 24.
360 over n is equal to 24. Then 360 is equal to 24n. Then n is equal to 360 over 24.
Is 15.
15. Okay, so this polygon has 15 sides. It's okay, guys. Are you taking notes for the formulas?
I took screenshot.
Yes, teacher.
All right,
Okay.
that makes sense.
Okay. Can I continue to the next one?
Teacher, just a second.
You're
Now
very
you can.
okay. You're very quiet, guys, and now I am very sleepy because it goes like, you know, no one is talking, only Giovanna, Salman, sometimes the others if I will ask. And then it becomes a really interesting lesson, very funny lesson like this. Okay, so here we have some different questions. The ratio of the measure of an exterior angle to an interior angle in a regular polygon is 1/3. How many diagonals does the polygon have? The ratio of the measure of an exterior angle to an interior angle. So what we will do here? The formula for an exterior angle is 360 over n. Yes?
Yes.
Over, what is the formula for an interior angle?
It is n minus 2 times 180.
Over n. Yes? This is the exterior.
Yes.
This is the interior angle. The ratio is 1/3. Yes? So can I cancel these n's here?
Yes.
And then I have 360 over n minus 2 times 180 is equal to 1/3. 360 and 180 can be simplified, and it will be 2 here. Now, can I do the cross product? It is 2 times 3 is equal to n minus 2. Yes?
Yes. We go with 6 is
equal
equal
to-
to minus 2.
So n is equal to
6 plus 2, which is 8.
yes. So how many diagonals does the polygon have? We didn't find, we found only how many sides it has. So what was the formula for diagonals?
n minus 3.
N minus 3 over 2.
N minus 3 over 2, or n times n minus 3 it was?
N times n minus 3 over
Yes,
2.
n times n minus 3 over 2. So it will be 8 times 8,
8 minus 3 over 2.
8 minus 3 over 2, which is,
So it will be 4 times 5, which is 20.
yes, so it has. Good question. I like it. You have all the formulas in one question. You see, you have the one exterior angle, one interior angle, you have one question. It's good. Now the next one, again we have ratio. The ratio of the sum of the measures of the interior angles to the sum of the measures of the exterior angles in a regular polygon is 7. How many sides does the polygon have? What we'll do here?
Teacher, we do the same thing.
So what is the sum of the measures of the interior angles in a polygon?
It's n minus 2 times 180.
N
Over n.
minus 2 times 180 over n is when we have only one angle.
But the sum is this.
Sum is only this one, n minus 2 times 180. Over, what is the sum of the measures of exterior angles in a regular polygon? What?
360 over n.
360 only. Over n,
Yeah.
find only one angle. Don't mix the formulas. When you have over n in this angle, I mean in the formulas with angles, it gives you only one angle. Okay?
Yes.
But here we are looking for the sum of the measures of interior angles, all of them.
Okay, teacher. Okay.
Okay? Is equal to 7. Now, this is the 7th question. I can simplify 180 with 360.
It will be 1 over 2.
Here you'll have 2. Now, here you have 1 with a cross product. What we'll find? N minus 2 is equal to 2 times 7. Okay? So N
So
minus 2
will be 14 and n will be 16.
N will be 16. Okay? Understandable?
Yes.
Okay. Tringa, it's okay?
Yes, teacher, yeah.
Okay, the others?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now the 9th one, it says the measure of an interior angle in a regular polygon is 160 degrees. Find the number of sides, find the sum of the measures of its interior angles, and find the number of diagonals. So what is given to us?
The measure of an interior angle in a
Only-
regular polygon.
Only one angle is given, yes? An interior
Yes.
angle. And what we need to find number of sides, which is n. Then when we'll find the n, it's very easy to find the other things, yes? If we know the n. So let me take this one down here. What is the formula for one interior angle?
N minus 2.
N minus 2
180
times 180
Over
over n
is equal to 168.
168.
Now with the cross product, I will have n minus 2 times 180 is equal to 168 times n. Then this one will be 180 times n minus
360
60.
is equal to 168 then.
Yes, then unknowns and knowns in one side.
180n minus 168n is equal to 360.
60. And this one is 12, I think. 12n is equal to 360. Am I right? 180 minus 168 is 12.
And n will be 360 over 12, which is 30.
Which will be 30. So A, n is equal to 30
So
sides. B, find the sum of the measures of its interior angles. What will be?
it's n minus 2 times 100.
N minus 2 times
It will be
100.
28 times
12, I'm right. 30 minus 2 times 180. So it is 28 times 180.
and it will be 5,040.
5,040. This, yes? Okay. And C, find the number of diagonals.
It's n times n minus 3 over 2.
Yes.
So it will be 30 times 30 minus 3 over 2. And we can simplify 30 and 2 directly. It will be 15.
Yes.
So it will be 15 times 27, which is
And
405.
405. So number of diagonals are 405. It's okay, guys, everyone.
It's
Yes,
okay.
teacher.
Did you understand? Please, if there is a problem, tell from the beginning. Don't wait to have more and more formulas, more and more questions, and then it will be very hard for you to understand and for me to go back to explain it again. Okay? So this
Okay, teacher.
first part of the polygons. So ask if it is not understandable. Now let me check what we have. One more page here. Mhm. It's okay. Did you write this one?
Just
Yeah.
a second.
Okay.
It's okay, teacher, now. For me.
It's okay for all of you?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now let's see here this question. Find the measure of angle X, it says, if each polygon is regular.
This is one interior angle. No,
No,
it's not one.
It's
No.
angle on diagonals.
Only it says that this is a regular, these are the regular polygons, and we need to find X. Something else?
Teacher, shouldn't we use n minus 2 times 180 over n or not? No? No, okay.
You can use. What will give you that formula?
It will give one angle, interior angle.
Okay, and then, so let's work for A, for example. Which formula you set? N minus?
N minus 2 times 180 over n.
Over n. How many sides we have here? 6.
Yeah.
6 minus 2, 4 times 180 over 6. You can simplify directly like this. 4 times 30, it's
120.
120.
So one interior angle is 120.
Yes. Then what we'll do? So
Here we
this,
have one more
And teacher, we can do
this one, and all the others, these ones are 120.
teacher in the A vertices, how it is called?
Vertex.
Vertex, and we can
Okay.
do 120 minus, no, yes,
No, yes.
minus 90, and we can
But-
find,
but
yes,
it's-
teacher, we can do it.
But it's not given that it is 90. Okay, it seems like it is 90,
It's not.
but it's not given. Maybe by working we can find that it is 90, but directly we cannot use 90 because it's not given anything about it. But one more thing to remind you that all the sides,
are equal.
because it is a
So
regular
now-
polygon. Now, do we have here
A proper triangle, regular.
isosceles triangle?
Yes.
If this one is 120, these two angles will be the same because it is an isosceles triangle. So what is left? 60. So this one will be 30 and this one will be 30. So if this all is 120 20. If this part is 30, so this is 90.
90 degrees.
We found it, okay? We cannot say directly. So this is 9.
Okay.
Then what we'll do?
Mm. Teacher,
I don't know. So
You don't know? So here we have another, how to say, isosceles trapezoid, we call it trapezoid. All the sides.
yes, and we'll have two equals.
Let's
Yes, teacher, if we find this angle, we can equalize all of it with 120 and we get x.
Yes. So here I have a quadrilateral and the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360, yes? So if
Yes.
sides are same, these angles will be the same. Look, because these are the same and these angles are same. Now here what I will say, let's say this is A and this one is A. So I have A plus 120 plus 120 is equal to 360. So it is 2A plus 240 is equal to 360. Then 2A is equal to 360 minus 240. 2A is equal to 8.
120.
What I did, 120, yes. And then A is equal to
260.
60. So this part is 60. This part is 30.
So now we will have 100.
And we equalize it with 120 because an interior angle is 120.
Yes. So A plus X plus 30 is equal to 120. So A we found it is 60 plus X plus 30. I took your time. Why you're not telling that the lesson is finished? So X is equal to 120 minus 90. X is equal to 30. Okay. Sorry, I took from your break time. I didn't realize. So see you next lesson on Wednesday. We'll do the quiz, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Goodbye, see you.
Bye. See you.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.